Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to look at the clown prince of crime during prehistoric time, Jokerzard. Let's go! Okay, so we have here from WizKids DC Heroclix, the Jokerzard. Okay, and as the name suggests, yes, it is Joker Lizard. So you can see here the illustration of the character, and this particular product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature, game piece, a promo figure, and we got this from our purchase in the virtual convention of WizKids store. Okay, on the side, we see the same illustration but a bit bigger, okay, of this exclusive figure, Jokerzard label at the other side, and at the back, just the same picture. Okay, this made for 14 years old and higher, even lower, that's totally fine. And this was released 2024. Okay, I did not know it was released 2024, all the while I thought it was 2025. But anyway, I am excited to look at this particular piece primarily because I have the Masters of Time Jurassic League. Okay, so I was able to complete them. But unfortunately, they don't have any villains. And this is the first time that they've released the, how do we call it? Jurassic Injustice, uh, Injustice League. I don't know. I'm not so familiar with the history or the comic background. Okay, so but we have here, okay, so the lizard version of the Joker. Let's take him out of his huh, plastic clamp. Okay, okay, removing the plastic, and let's pop him out. Okay, so easy pop. So we can look at him closely. Okay, so he is slim, and yeah, as a lizard. And but the aesthetic, of course, is Joker, the purple and green color scheme. Okay, and the pose is dynamic. He's jumping out, biting his prey. Okay, probably Batman. Okay, so and you can see that he's not a colossal. He's a 2x2 piece, but he is only a giant. Okay, I emphasize that because the Justice League are all colossals. So I guess the villains are what you call this, smaller than them. Okay. So let's take a look at the card of the Jokerzard. It's a long dial DCP 24-023. Okay, Jokerzard has the Batman enemy, team ability, and keywords has Arkham Asylum, Gotham City Underworld, Injustice League, Animal, and Past. Okay, so it's the Jurassic Injustice League. Okay, he has a trait which is the Venom Spit, free, deal 1 damage to a character within 4 squares and line of fire. A character damaged this way modifies their attack -1 until your next turn. Okay, so it's a corroding venom spit. Any free damage is good, and the bonus -1 attack is a cherry on top. He also has a special damage power, drinking from the dark embryo. Stop super senses toughness. When this click is first revealed, heal Jokerzard 1 click. And he has that at the end of the starting lines, except for the blue one. Okay, so he has 3 stab clicks. And then the special damage power is giving you vertigo, close combat expert, and exploit weakness. That's good. Real name is Jokerzard, Jurassic League number 1. 2022 is the significant appearance. So he appeared in the first issue, and you can see his points is 200 full points, 150, 150. He is not unique, so you can definitely use multiple of this Jokerzard, and you might want to do that, especially for the 50-point line, because that's 8 charge, 8 movement charge with giant reach 2, because he's a giant figure, okay? And he has blades, claws, fangs, so the damage wouldn't really matter so much. He can just roll for damage, and the damage is penetrating because of exploit weakness. Okay, so he has a stab click as well, and remember, you heal off 1 click when it's first revealed, so you're gonna have to, and then you stab again when that click is revealed once again. So this has a bit of a longevity for 50 points. Okay, I'm thinking he is going to be useful as an Ares Bomb because of the Blade's Claws, Exploit, and Close Combat Expert. So effectively making its attack 12. Okay, and with the Giant Reach, you can target more from that Ares Bomb. Okay, and yeah, dealing free damage. If you have multiple, that means for support figures, you can always deal them one and then one more, depending on how many Jokerzard you have. Okay, so a worthwhile addition to the Jurassic series. I hope WizKids make all the other villains of the Jurassic League figures. Okay, maybe the villain for Superman and Wonder Woman. Okay, so that we have the trinity of villains as well. But what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until next time, rah, rah, rah.